Greeting to the esteemed and distinguished jury, educators, and members of my team. I am Dayang Ayu Atira. Along with me are my team members, Richard Geraldine as the second presenter, William Fernando, Berson Kana, and Chris Ezra Essen. And we are under our teacher supervision, Mr. Ahmad Hafizul Amin. We are from Maktab Rendah Sains Mara Betong, Sarawak. On this auspicious day, we are going to present our project called Virtual Reality in Education or VRED. This creation falls under the category of education, teaching, and learning. Have you ever heard about virtual reality? Nowadays, virtual reality has been widely used in various applications. But how about virtual reality in education? How are we going to use virtual reality in education? Let me explain it. First of all, let me explain what is virtual reality is all about. Virtual reality is computer-generated simulation in which a person can interact with an artificial three-dimensional environment using electronic device such as special goggles with a screen or glove fit with sensor. In virtual reality in education, this technology will integrate with education in terms of teaching and learning process, in which it will be used by both teachers and students to teach and learn. Now, let's talk about difference between VRED and video conference class. When we are using VRED, students can interact with that they see as if they were really at the location. Besides that, it inspires student creativity and sparks their imagination. Not only that, it also allows students to explore and move around the classroom while learning. So, VRED allows students to learn through their own experience and it will be more effective lessons. There are so many important of VRED. For instance, VRED can help students to develop their imagination mind. Besides that, it also can help students discover how the software can be used in other fields. Moreover, it can help to enhance and evolve our education system as our technology evolves.
VRED can be widely used in our Malaysian school system as it can be integrated into various subjects such as art education, science, history, etc. In art education, VRED allows students to virtually travel to museum and gallery to experience the environment by themselves. VRED system can be much easier to learn compared to video conference class in search for art in dancing other culture. Teacher can demonstrate the steps much easier and can guide students slowly. Science online class, when students are at home, they can do laboratory practice in VRED. VRED can be used to learn in laboratory that is difficult and costly to access. Any experiment can be demonstrated by teacher lively. While in history online class, VRED allows students to visit historical moments in the past so that students can witness or experience what happened in history in the first person. Using VRED, school can save up the cost to visit any museum or historical sites in the world. Apart from that, VRED also helps to better connect teachers and students who need extra instructions. Students will be able to put more attention because it feels like in the real classroom and more fun although it is just an online class. We can see that the advantage of VRED is it doesn't have limit in such. VRED can be used anytime and anywhere, and it doesn't necessarily be done in the classroom. VRED able to put teacher and students in the same room with digital representations of themselves, and teacher can guide students in person. The advent of technology has unleashed rapid changes to our life and the way we do things as we prepare to usher in the Fourth Industrial Revolution (IR 4.0). The Monash University Malaysia Educational Gamification and Immersive Experience Lab Forum brought together experts in VR and AR to discuss the future of education and to demonstrate the potential of resources available today. For our information, Malaysia hasn't started to use VRED yet for now, but it would be promising in the near future that we will have this kind of technology integrated into our education system.
We have conducted a survey to study about their perception toward virtuality in education. This survey was conducted through Google Form and we managed to collect 140 respondents. The respondents come from two groups, which is educator and learner. The quantity from the student and the teacher are 125 or 89.3% and 15 or 10.7% respectively. The respondents come from various education institutions such as MRSM Betong, MRSM Tun Mustafa Tawau, SMK Agama Serato, SMK Raja Zarina, SMK Sarike Baru, and so much more. 91 or 65 respondents said they have moderate knowledge on VRED. The 33 or 23.6% have deep knowledge while the rest have shallow knowledge. The last question asked was their interest toward VRED if it were implemented in our school system. 137 or 97.1% of them agreed, while only 4 or 2.9% didn't. In a nutshell, we can see that VRED can help to improve our education system to be a lot better in various scopes. As explained previously, VRED can be widely used in various subjects in Malaysian school system. Although VRED seems feels a lot of difficult to be implemented now, but we really hope it can be done in near future. We cannot wait to witness to happen. How about you?